Hello, my name is James. Today, it is an honor, and with great pleasure, to bring you this video of Neville Goddards' lecture. Entering the Kingdom. Let us begin. The Kingdom is the most beautiful and alluring place you could ever imagine. It is the place of all possibility, where the impossible becomes possible, the unknown becomes known, and dreams come true. To enter this kingdom is to fully immerse yourself into a place of bliss and joy, where the clouds are always puffy and the sun is always shining. Where to begin in this magical place? How does one enter the kingdom of possibility? Neville Goddard, one of the most esteemed teachers of spiritual philosophy, gives us the key to unlocking this hidden realm. In his lecture Entering the Kingdom, Neville Goddard teaches us to think of the kingdom as an inner kingdom and that it is not a physical space but rather an inner state of being. He says that you must enter into the kingdom by fully believing in yourself and in your ability to create the life and experiences that you desire. Let go of the present, he says, and step into a world in which everything is possible. To enter this inner kingdom, Neville recommends the use of imagination. He describes the imagination as the vehicle which transports us to the place where our heart's desires become fulfilled. Once we make the conscious effort to use our imagination and envision the things that we want to manifest in our lives, the process of manifestation will begin. We must also focus on our feelings, for it is our feelings which bring about the reality that we desire. Let me say that again, very important. We must also focus on our feelings, for it is our feelings which bring about the reality that we desire. As we enter the kingdom of possibility, Neville guides us in letting go of our doubts and worries, and replacing them with the highest expectations of ourselves and our ability to create the life that we want. This is the first step in entering the kingdom, letting go of fear and believing in ourselves. We must also have faith in our choices. In the kingdom of possibility, Neville says that we can never make a wrong decision, but only a choice between rights and wrongs. Our faith in ourselves and in our choices allows us to become masters of our reality. Whatever you choose to do, do it with faith in yourself. The practice of prayer is also necessary when entering the kingdom. Prayer brings us closer to the source of all possibilities, allowing us the power to create whatever we desire. In his lecture, Neville encourages us to pray with a clear mind and an open heart, expecting miracles and fully embracing the power of prayer to manifest whatever we want in our lives. Finally, Neville encourages us to embrace the silence within us. To become a master of manifestation, we must sit in the stillness and enter into a state of being in which our mind is aware of the power that lies within us, and our heart is filled with unconditional love. In summarizing his lecture, Neville Goddard imparts that entering the kingdom is the secret to the manifestation of all we desire in life. It is the place of possibility where our heart's desires come true and there are no limits to any of our dreams. It is a place of power and peace. So, enter the kingdom of possibility and experience the beauty of yourself and your life. Fully embrace the power of your imagination and faith, and create the life you have always wanted. That was phenomenal. I have said that many times, before I ever read Neville Goddard's teachings. That heaven was within. I used to always say, another day in paradise. Do you know where paradise is? Wherever I am. I'm going to look at this as evidence. If you haven't already, please click on the subscribe button below this video, give it a thumbs up, and like it if you did. It is greatly appreciated, and helps me with this YouTube channel. I'm hoping you enjoyed it as much as I did. Thank you for watching.